Hey guys, it's Ms. Schmidl and I'm not here with you today, so I'm going to go through what you were working on in Schoology today. So the first thing you'll be doing is you're going to be taking a reading quiz over the 3 texts that we've read so far in Unit 4. So the Scientific Revolution, Innovations with Exploration, and then Causes, Motivations, and Means for Exploration that we read last class. It is 7 questions and 10 points. There are 6 multiple choice questions and 1 matching question. When you're done, you'll be doing a reading over Christopher Columbus, and then we're going to start doing some practice for how you'll do your research project later this week and next. So, with that being said, go ahead and follow the slides to find your quiz over the first 3 readings in Unit 4, and then there'll be some embedded videos to help you get started on the next sections.